Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can create your TurboTax account on your mobile phone. So for that, in order to create your TurboTax account, just simple any browser and search for TurboTax. When you search for TurboTax, this is the first website in front of you is TurboTax website. You can use TurboTax app by downloading it from App Store or Play Store. Now after opening this TurboTax website on your any browser, you will see a display in front of you just like this. Here you can see at the top right side there are sign in option. Just click on this sign in option. Now when you click on this, now if you have already an TurboTax account, just you will simply just write your email and password and you will be signed in. But if you don't have any account and now you want to create your account, you will click on this create an account. When you click on this create an account, now some information will be asked from you, so you have to put your information like just write your email address, your user id must be unique, like 1 2 1, like your name with 1 2 3 such like. And now enter your password. After password, just write your phone number and simple click on create account. When you click on create account, an SMS will be sent on your mobile number. You have to enter the code and your mobile number will be verified. After your mobile number, an email will be sent to you just like this. Just simply click on this verify email and your email will be verified. After your phone number and email verified, your account will be created. So this is the way how you will create TurboTax account on your mobile phone.